this national insurance rise, tell us, what does it mean?
So, in terms of what it means for ordinary working people, the first thing it's going to mean is obviously less in their pay packet at the end of the day. And for somebody on average earnings, it's about £20 a month. So it's, you know, it's not an insignificant amount of money. Just to remind you the way all this works, so the national insurance rise happens now, and then from July this year, there's a rise in the first threshold at which you start to pay national insurance. So from July this year, actually people will probably be about £10 a month better off for average earners. But don't forget that there's also a rise of the same amount for employers. So employers will also be paying higher national insurance. And whilst the long-term aim of this extra money is to fund both the NHS and social care, don't forget that employers in, for example, the care industry, the first thing they'll see is, first of all, a rise in their costs, and secondly, a lowering of take-home pay of care workers.
Where this just does my head in is, why are they raising it to bring it down in July? Well,
you know, I understand what government wants to do is to protect the lower paid. Don't forget that whilst for somebody on average earnings, it will come down again in July. For people on more than about £35,000 a year, it will be a long-term increase, so they will pay more forever.
It's a PR disaster, actually, the way it's been sold, the way it's been put out there, and just the way it's been handled.